it's Nancy. Since it's already the end of the year, I will show you my top 3 transparent dresses for this year. Place number 3. Second place. First place.